Jalen leaned in. The image crackled. Cut to a hallway. He recognized it. The West Wing. Room 109 at the end. Then, the girl again. Standing in front of a mirror. Her reflection smiled before she did. And then waved. The screen went black. Jalen's breath caught. Then the audio kicked in. Whispers. Dozens. Layers deep. Like a crowd speaking underwater. He turned the volume up. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. The voices warped. Slurred. New words emerged. Switch. Trade. Take my place. He pressed stop. The tape kept going. He hit eject. The machine refused. The screen lit up again, unprompted.